Hey guys, my name is Manjak and welcome to this game called Best Fiends Forever. This is a game I'm really addicted to. This is a little fun game and you can find it on Android and iOS. So I'm now playing it on Android because I don't have an iOS. So I'm gonna show you two hacks in this video. One for this game and one for another game. So stay tuned for that. This is a game you need to use your fingers for. You need to just tap on the screen, tap till these slugs die. These little things down here, these are your fiends. These are they help you to defeat them and defeat the bosses. I need to fight the boss, but the difficulty is super hard. I cannot fight him because the difficulty is super hard. What do you need? You need go 5 till you have the money. Upgrade this here, this finger, like the mine is level 52. I need to upgrade it like here. I upgraded it. Now it's 53, and now I need 4.93 trillion. Now I have only 275 point. I have only 275.33 billion. I need a lot to. I need to save a lot. I have 288 gems. These gems can help you for later times. Like if you don't have any money, you can buy this. But I don't want to buy. If you are smart, you can buy this. This is a good way to defeat the bosses. But I don't want to. And now let's show you a hack. First you need to go to settings. Then you need to scroll down. Here you can see here there are there are a lot there are green ones. You need to choose it on green. There is one here that's named date and time. If you go to this and you need to turn off automatic date and time, then you can do set date. If you set the date to 1 day further, then you get the award. But I'm not gonna do it because I am recording, and if I do 1 day further, then my recording is gonna go more than 24 hours. Okay guys, so that's the hack for Best Fiends Forever. And this is a real good. If you get this two things, you can either choose here you get two. Some not always, but you get a common and a rare. Maybe you get a super rare. Like me, I got a super rare. But that's not so much money. And 50% fiend damage, I'm gonna double it. And now I have 200 billion. Let's do one instant. And I gained 207 billion. Fantastic. Now let's go to the other game that I was talking about. It's everyone's favorite Subway Surf. Go back. You need to go to Google. You need to search lucky patch here. This lucky patch. I've already installed it. That's why it's giving me this. You need to go to Google. You cannot download it in what do you call it, in App Store or Google Play. Okay guys, so you need to go to the Google. Now you see here you get this. you're gonna choose a game that you want to hack. Like I'm gonna choose Subway Surf. You need to do the third one. First is app info, second is launch app, and the third is open menu of patches. You need to click on that. Then you need to click create modified APK file. You need to click that, and you need to go to the third one. APK rebuild for in-app and level emulation. You need to click that. You need to go to rebuild the app, and it's gonna say please wait. So you need to wait till it loads, and then if it loads and it says wait, you're gonna see what's gonna happen. Load faster. My internet is shit. Because I think it's because I'm. Well, no, I don't want to update. My internet is low because I'm sitting in the last room, and the internet here is shit. Probably shit. I cannot sit there because it's there. And now here's the patch pattern number 1 successful. Patch pattern 2 successful. Patch pattern 3 patch pattern 3 failed. Patch pattern 4 failed. That's good. Only the 2 top ones need to be successful, not the 2 underneath one. You need to go to file, you need to click on this, you need to uninstall and install. You're gonna lose all your progress, but it's gonna hack it. Then you can just use your keys to revive you and get it. Yeah, it's installed. Then you need to go to open. And if you open it, you're gonna see it's not hacked, but you can buy it for free. Look, I'm gonna show you. Wait. And now I'm gonna go to home. And I'm going to stop. I'm going to this. And here, this start. I want to stop it. Go to this. And it's gonna come in-app purchases hack. Do you want to try this? Try to get this item for free? You need to go to auto repeat purchases with the current settings, or you can just yes. Do you know why do I do auto repeat? Then you don't need to do this anymore. Look, I'm gonna auto repeat. I got it for free. I'm gonna get it for free. If you need to contact me, look, I got free thing. Now if I click on that, wait a second. What? That's a pro pack. That's right. I'm gonna contact Google. Champion pack. If you do this, you get it's free. Absolutely no money. Not even wasting a cent. Okay, guys? And I'm gonna do this probably. No, I'm not gonna do. Oh, my battery is running low. This is a cool trick to hack your game. This is real cool. Done with the packs, now go to here. Whoa. 65, only 65,000. Let's outro this. It's only a limited offer. It's not even much. Yeah, I buy it for free. Absolutely. One. I don't know how much that is, but I'm gonna just do this. I'm not even wasting a cent. Guys, this is absolutely free. If your mom says, "What are you doing? Don't do this," or your money is going to go down, then say to your mom, "Mom, this is absolutely free." Okay, guys? Look, I'm gonna get a crate of keys. Look at that. I'm now 800 keys. 9, almost 900 keys. Look, now I'm gonna go to the boost. Now let's see what I want. I'm just gonna buy everything. I'm just gonna max it out. Okay, now. Bye guys. This is the end of the video. Peace out. Yeah.